everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Surbi Singh, and if you're watching my face for the first time, then please click the subscribe button, press the bell notification button for the latest updates. Now coming to the blog, this is gonna be a life update. मैं कहाँ हूँ, क्या कर रही हूँ, and everything. And since my first video on this channel, it has been like 6 months, so I just wanted to update you guys. And क्या चल रहा है? And मम्मी,
कपड़ा रखे थे
speak to. Now coming to the blog, this is just gonna be a life update because my first video has come up like 6 months ago. So I just wanted to update you guys like 6 months बाद क्या हो रहा है. So I started this channel in January and I was doing my internship in a company called Nobero. Nobero is from TMRW. I mean, those of you all are here from design background, you might be knowing TMRW. It's a Aditya Birla Group, this fashion retail thing. And then I did my internship, like graduation project, summer internship I did somewhere else. So we who are from NIFT, most of them know these stuffs. So graduation project is basically my end, matlab college ka end ka project, like the main project. So I'm done with that. I'm like that was for 4 months. I'm from NIFT Hyderabad, so I did in Hyderabad itself, and then I sat for my college placements. So I went all the way to Delhi like, because I wanted something big. क्योंकि हैदराबाद में बहुत लेट के मतलब like 10-20 दिन बाद placement start हो रहा था. But Delhi it was happening like पहले then it was in Bangalore, then it was in Mumbai. It's usually like that. Like first जो preference जो campus का होता है वो दिल्ली ही होता है because it's one of the best NIFTs. So I sat in NIFT Delhi. I sat for like 5-6 companies. I previously applied and somewhere on spot as well. And then unexpectedly, I got an opportunity. And I was मतलब वो out of a sudden आया. ऐसा कुछ था नहीं. मुझे मुंबई और बैंगलोर जाने का भी प्लान था. Like मुंबई का tickets तो मैंने कर लिया था already. And then I wanted to go to Bangalore as well. But then I got something in Delhi. And I don't want to reveal it right now because वो एक अलग ब्लॉग होगा बिकॉज मैं कहाँ शिफ्ट हो रही हूँ हैदराबाद से. राइट नाउ आई एम इन माय होम टाउन क्योंकि घर के मतलब प्लेसमेंट के बाद मैं सीधे घर आ गई दिल्ली से. सो मुझे थोड़ा ब्रेक भी चाहिए था. मतलब जीपी के बाद ग्रेजुएशन प्रोजेक्ट के बाद 4 महीने आप इंटर्नशिप कर रहे हो फिर आके आप डायरेक्टली ज्वाइन कर रहे हो कंपनी तो ऐसा नहीं होता है. आपको थोड़ा ब्रेक चाहिए होता है. एंड देन आई एम मूविंग टू गुड़गांव from all the way to Hyderabad. I'm moving to Gurgaon, and that's a fashion retail company only, and I'm handling like visual communication design, graphics as well, and something front end like UI UX. So. Those of you don't know, I'm a designer by the way, and you can watch the previous videos to get the update. And I recently graduated from NIFT Hyderabad, and I sat for my campus interview, and life में अभी यही चल रहा है. तो इसका अपडेट देना था. एंड देन आई वाज ट्रैवलिंग इनसेनली मतलब इतनी पागल की तरह ट्रैवल कर रही थी. I went to Hyderabad. From Hyderabad, I went like the thing which like ये सब जब start हुआ. From Hyderabad, I came all the way to Patna to meet my parents and उनके blessings लेने placement से पहले. I came to Patna and then I went all the way to Delhi for my placement and then मैं वहाँ relative के घर रही 3-4 दिन. And then वहाँ से then I went to Lucknow. Then Lucknow से then we explored some nearby places and then from Lucknow I came to Patna again and then I'm going back to Hyderabad again. So it was like a whole month एक trip हो गया मेरा. And also I want to update you guys on my vision board. Kyuki vision board actually works. Like I have few things which are in my vision board, and insane, like it's literally insane. In 6 months, something like few things actually worked, and it got real. So I just want to show you what this thing, what vision board I made, and कौन-कौन सी चीजें हुई है. I made this in January. I showed you all as well. I made a video on it. So this is my vision board which I made for my iPad. Sure. Yeah. I made it on Canva. You can watch that video. I'll link it here somewhere. So this is like, I'll just put it here. So yeah, the picture I'll put it here. You can see. So the first thing which I put it in my vision board was, of course, everybody wants money. So 6 LPA was, मतलब सब मिला जुला के क्योंकि अभी यार बहुत सारा चल रहा है कि 4-5 ही एवरेज पैकेज मिलता है कॉलेज प्लेसमेंट्स वालों को और बाहर भी आप उतना ही ले सको. बट आई टारगेट फॉर 6 LPA बिकॉज आई वांटेड समथिंग गुड. पता नहीं उस टाइम लगा नहीं था मुझे इतना मिलेगा बिकॉज मेरे सीनियर्स को लाइक जो टॉप रैंकर्स थे दे वर गेटिंग दिस मच and then I got 6 LPA. I mean, it's a bit more than 6 LPA. I'll not tell you the exact figures, but it worked. I mean, it got real in my life. That's what I wanted to tell you. So yeah, 6 LPA is that. Then design skills. So of course, design skills. मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, but ऐसा नहीं था कि मैंने बहुत कुछ ही सीख लिया. ये सीखने के लिए बहुत सारी चीजें हैं यार डिजाइन में. तो थोड़ी बहुत चीजें सीखी है, बट हाँ थोड़ा बहुत सीखा है और मुझे और सीखना है. हाँ ये किया है बट इतना नहीं हुआ. Then healthy food, yeah, I started eating blueberries, strawberries, yogurt, Greek yogurt, everything, dry fruits as well. This year I started it, but उसका फायदा कुछ नहीं हुआ because I became chubby. The previous video you'll see, you'll get to know that I became really, really chubby. Yeah, and the last thing, like the fourth thing which got real, was one of my solo trip. So I traveled a lot. I mean, it was not a trip. It was a work trip or a academic thing trip. But of course, I traveled, so it can be taken. 1 BHK myself. So I was living with my room partner, as I told you, because Hyderabad mein 1 BHK is very expensive. It's like 16K for 1 month. So this time, I'm shifting to Gurgaon and I'm getting myself 1 BHK and I have booked my flat. I've not booked it. नजर मत लगाना please. So yeah, वो हो गया है. और 1 hour जिम ये तो नहीं हुआ यार, क्योंकि अगर वो होता तो शायद ये नहीं होता. सो उसके लिए कुछ करना है. एंड ऑफ कोर्स फाइनेंशियली भी थोड़ा बहुत क्राइसिस चल रहा था मेरी लाइफ में, क्योंकि हैदराबाद इज एक्सपेंसिव एंड the stipend which I was getting from my internship was not enough at all. That's my mom, by the way. एंड या तो हाँ, और मैंने घर से पैसे लेने छोड़ दिए हैं एंड एवरीथिंग इज लाइक जस्ट मेरे को डील करना है. सो दैट वाज माय प्रॉब्लम. मैकबुक फॉर माई सेल्फ बिकॉज मेरा लैपटॉप लिटरली आग लगाने लायक हो चुका है. मतलब उसमें कुछ नहीं बचा है, इतना स्लो हो चुका है वो. मुझे एक मैकबुक चाहिए. सो आई एम थिंकिंग टू बाय इट लाइक 2-3 महीने में. आई डेफिनेटली पुट अ रील ऑन दैट एज वेल एंड दैट विल बी माई लाइक फर्स्ट बहुत बड़ा सा कुछ खुद के लिए लेना मेरी बड़े स्टाइपेंड से. Like officially I'm going to get my salary, because previously whatever I was getting was from my internships, but this is something I'll get from a big amount and a big thing. But this time I'll save whole of the money and then I'll buy my MacBook, because yeah. So 3-4 things got real. YouTube 100K nahi hua. It's okay, leave it. So healthy food, solo trip, 1 BHK and 6 LPA, like more than 6 LPA got real. So I literally believe on these things, and you should also believe on these things. And this was it, guys. I think lamba ho raha hai bahut zyada video. So I'll see you in the next one, and this was it. I hope you like it. Bye. See you in the next one. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and watch my videos. So bye. See you in the next one.